Hey everybody, my name is Paul, W1VLF, and welcome back to the lab. As you can see, there's a couple of projects here on the bench, the Group W bench. We have this nice active Mackie Dimec active antenna, the DA7, which we'll be looking at. And then also one of these things. Let's see. Yeah. Can you see that? QS1R receiver. I've had this for a very, very long time. But today, those are projects coming up. Today, I just wanted to do a quick update on the EMP gun. And so what I did was put together a collage, I don't know, whatever the word is, of the different iterations of the machine, and a lot of clips and stuff put together, so you won't have to go back and watch all the older videos. So anyway, it's only about 6 or 8 minutes long, and it shows all the different machines. By the way, Dave Carlson had sent in a name, and I think we're going to call it Thor's Hammer. So it's in the process of being rebuilt yet again to improve a bunch of things that I found during the last go around. So anyway, here, watch this update and comment if you want, subscribe if you think it's worthwhile, and hit the like button if you like it. Thanks a lot. 73 W1VLF out, and new videos coming on these guys. Holy Jesus. So what I decided to do was, I wanted to see if I could utilize some of that energy to push a nail through various pieces of board. The nail is going to try to push up through that. And I'm going to put these two 10-pound weights on there, on top. Alright, so it's, what is that, 2 3/4? Just under 2 3/4 worth of mahogany. It's pretty dense. This weighs a few pounds, this piece of wood. I'm going to move that off a little bit, just in case. Alright, we're going to go for about 1,000 volts this time, all the beams. Talk about the power of capacitors. We'll have to find something a little more challenging. I'm going to stick 2 quarters to the bottom of this and see if we can punch a hole in it. Tape it on. Alright everybody, we're going to try this to fire this nail up through the 2 quarters and I guess through this piece of 1/2-inch plywood. 500, 8,000. Thought you guys might like to see this up close. There's going to be LED light, because you need a lot of light when you're going to slow stuff down. Here's the big contactor. I made a bunch of improvements here, and one is this top plate, which is about 2.5 inches or so of oak that's glued and screwed together. And then these large pieces of stainless all thread pull down on these 2x6s here. And right into the Group W bench. They pull it down, and then there's a steel bar underneath that helps pull it down. 433 round ball bullets. That's what one looks like, but it doesn't show up very well. So I painted 2 of them blue. So now I have 2 blue balls. Camera seems to see that. And I don't know if you can see under there, but there's a steel plate there. When you smash one of your blue balls, it gets really hot. My God, you wouldn't believe how hot this is. Not right now, of course, but when it gets smashed. I'm going to charge up and give it a blast. Blue ball, take 1. Back here charging up. 600, 650, 714. Here goes. So loud. That thing is hot as hell. Took one of those blue balls and turned it into this. That's pretty violent. All right, so let's do a soda can. 670, 712. Looks like that wood is firmly in place. So if I could get this balanced on here, there it is. 720. Damn, I hate that. Well, it's hard to tell. Just feels smooth under there. There's the other washers. Yep. That's pretty impressive.